Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to draw isometric view in AutoCAD 2025 step by step. This is the isometric view which we will draw today, and today I will also explain how we can set isometric snap, isoplane switching, and how to draw isocircle properly. So let's start. I will use two drawings. One drawing I will use for visibility of this drawing and other one for drawing. We have to click on view, and here we have to select on tile vertically, and here I will paste the drawing. You guys can adjust your screen accordingly. Now we have to change the setting of the isoplane. Type here DS, and here under drafting setting we have to select here isometric snap. Okay, now you can see that our cursor is changed to the isoplane. So select first line here. First is we will start from here, it's 27.5, and now we have to go down. We have to change the plane. You guys can change the plane by three ways. First one is you select here and click here on left. You can change the plane. Second one, you guys can press function and F5 key from the keyboard. You guys can change the plane. This is with the help of the function key. The third one, by pressing Ctrl and E, you can change the plane. So I explained three ways to change the plane. You choose your method as per your convenience. Now take a line here. I will move it down 10 and this side 55. Again we will go up 10 and again 27.5. Now we have to go up here and it is 10 again. Select this line, change the plane, make it 10. Again change the plane to top. On this side we have to go 75 and this is 10. Again here we will come 75. And now we will join this line here. Here again we have to go up. Here is 35. Change the plane by press Ctrl and E. Easy one. 35. On this side we have to go 75. And we will join here. Again take a line here. Change the plane. Ctrl plus E. 10 here. Again Ctrl E to change the plane. 75 and we will join here. Cancel the command. Same way take a line here and this way we have to go 70. So here what we will do, we will copy these and simply paste it there. So here we will go up, Ctrl E to change the plane, 10. Take a line here, change the plane, Ctrl E this way and make it 10 and join in the top here. This is not required. Take a line from the midpoint. Take a line here from here, 5. So this is not required now. Again here 5. So we have a 10 here. From this point go up 7.5 and aligned here. Now this is also not required. Same way here 7.5 and we will join here. Again from this point to change the plane, Ctrl E and make this one 75. Same way this line 75 here. Same way we will join this point to this point and this point to this point. It is not required and we will down now. Change the plane, Ctrl E 7.5. Again change the plane, Ctrl E here. Now we will trim this one. You can see that Still it's missing here, one line here. Control E, 75, and same way here. So in this way, we can draw any isometric view in AutoCAD by changing the planes. So I showed you 3 methods. Here you can change by function key, you can change, or press Ctrl and E. We will cancel this drawing now. I will show you how to draw circle in isometric view. I will take a line here from this point to this point, and here I want to get the circle. Type ellipse EL and type here ISO. You can change the plane by pressing Ctrl and E. Similarly, we will draw the circle here. We will draw the reference line first. Type here EL ellipse, enter, and type I for isocircle. Select this point and draw the circle. So in this way, we can draw the circle in isometric view. To come back in normal position, again we have to type here DS, and you can come to rectangular snaps, and here type isodraft and select here orthographics. So we will back into the normal.